Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to link tasks in ClickUp. This one is pretty simple and straightforward, so let's get right into it. First step in order to link a task in ClickUp is go over to your tasks. So let's see your tasks and choose which task you want to link task to. So I will choose this task 3. Go right here where there are these 3 dots, click on it, and then click on Dependencies right here. Now this will show you this dependency window, and you can add linked task right here. So add linked task, click on it, and then to this task 3 you can add any linked task that you want. So let's say I will ask task 1 as linked task. As you can see, it is right here. So right now this task 1 is linked to task 3. It is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.